All right, so it is Friday, August 18th. I'm at Knott's Berry Farm. It's gonna be a fun day. Hopefully, GhostRider's open. Xcelerator isn't. Montezooma isn't. That's about it. Get 2 new credits, the Silver Bullet and Sierra Sidewire. It's gonna be fun. All right, so GhostRider closed. So we're gonna go ride the log flume instead. Yay.
Just as exciting.
Running of the bulls to the log flume, I guess. That's where we're heading, so. Well, log flume looks a little dry, so we're gonna do Silver Bullet instead. So starting the day off with a new credit. Here we go, new credit, let's go. All right, so we just got off Silver Bullet, B&M Invert. That was a lot of fun, actually. Afterburner, I think is still better, but I might.
It's better than Batman.
Yeah, he doesn't like Batman. I think it's cool, but yeah. Anyway, Silver Bullet, a lot of fun. Those inversions, some of them are pretty intense. That last helix is awesome. Yeah, just a fun ride. Gonna go ride the pony ride, and then maybe the rapids afterwards. But for now, we're doing Pony Express. All right, so we just got off Pony Express. That's a really fun family launch coaster. It's just short, that's about it. But now we're gonna do the rapids. So this is gonna be a lot of fun and refreshing. Ooh, nice queue line. I like how there's no one in here.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Woo! Oh man.
Oh man. Oh gosh. No, keep going to him. Go to him. Go to him. Go to him. Go to him. That was underwhelming. All right, so we're gonna go on the rapids again because it has a walk-on wait, even though it's hot. I mean, it's gonna get warmer later, but it's hot. No, 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 no. Ah, come on, come on. Are you kidding me? All right, so we just got off the rapids again. You probably can't tell, but I'm pretty wet. So yeah, so we decided the best way to dry off is to go ride the log flume.
Yeah. Oh yeah. But first, cotton candy.
Yes.
We're gonna grab it.
Dark. I can't see anything. Oh, it's a drop. Oh my god. Wait, what? All right, so we just got off Timber Mountain Log Ride. That is definitely my favorite log flume, even above Splash Mountain. And I've been on like 2 Splash Mountains. Yeah, that indoor drop is the best part of the ride by far. Especially because I didn't see it coming. Anyways, I think we're gonna go do hang time now, so this is gonna be fun. So earlier I said let's not ride the ride that has a vertical lift hill at noon. It is 12:10. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! All right, so we just got off hang time. That lift hill is terrifying. The drop is really awesome. Some great airtime moments, like the drop and that little mini dip down. The versions are great. It wasn't that rough. It was overall a pretty great ride. It's fun. Now we're gonna do the gliders. Yeah. You ready? I guess so. Oh wow. Ah! Oh my god. Alright, so we just got off the Surfside gliders. Over there is him. I'm probably not going to do that again because I started feeling weird. So, yay!
That's maybe you were feeling yourself.
Oh! Okay. Now we're going to go ride my personal least favorite coaster or ride at this park. Okay, coaster at this park. Not Fairy Tales is bad. But we're going to go ride GhostRider. The roller coaster with some of the worst restraints ever. I'll have to ride Skyrush in the future. See which is worse. But for now, we're gonna ride GhostRider. Here we go. Oh God. So we just got off the Shin Splinter, as I have heard it called before, GhostRider. And someone stopped the ride. That's awesome. I'm glad I'm off because my legs would die. Fortunately, I didn't staple myself because I'm not an idiot. And
I stapled you.
Yeah. And fortunately, the op didn't put it down anymore. So thank you, dude. I don't know what your name is, but you're a legend. So yeah, it's still bad. I didn't like it. Probably not gonna ride that again. This, on the other hand, I'll probably ride that again. I've actually never tried Knott's Boysenberry soda, so I'm gonna try it. Boysenberry fruit punch, something like that. It's pretty good. Alright, so we just got the log ride for a second time. There's the closed Xcelerator. We're getting ready to get on the drop tower, so let's go. Drop. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! And, oh, back up! Woo! Alright, we just got off Supreme Scream. That was a pretty fun drop tower. Yeah, not much else to say. It just goes up and then down. It kind of bounces a little bit at the end. Yeah, now we're gonna go ride Jaguar. Yeah. I don't remember that. Alright, so we just got off Jaguar, and the best way I could put that was a very janky family coaster with good queue theming. That hurt, but it was kind of fun, so whatever. Get it, coaster!
Oh, God.
Whoa!
My
God! Oh my God!
And we're going for the love of...
Alright, so we just got off the Sierra Sidewinder spinning coaster that is actually really, really fun. That is the sleeper hit of the park, hands down. Great spins, some great jerkiness, it was just fun. Oh my God! Oh yeah, baby! Oh no! What? Oh, oh my God!
Oh my God.
Oh wow! Again? Here we go! Here we go! Ah yeah! Alright, so that's going to wrap up our day at Knott's. We got 22 total rides in 12 hours. That was insane. That was fun. Somewhere behind me is a ride that should be open. Where's GhostRider?
It's still not open, okay?
Somewhere behind me. Couldn't ride it. It was broken down. Xcelerator broken down. But Hang Time was open. Silver Bullet was open. Sierra Sidewinder was open. Good day. Now I got a churro. Yay. All right, see you next time. Bye.